Red magic.
What's good, traders?
Grand Rising traders.
Welcome back for the first time if you're new here.
I'm Rosie Red, co-founder of Red Magic Channel.
I'm French Lucas, CEO and co-founder of Red Magic Channel.
You're watching The Red Shift,
a show where you can learn how to use Red Magic Channel products.
I'm sure you read the legal disclaimer, but remember, we don't know nothing about trading.
This is general education only. There are no financial advices on this channel.
Always use a demo account to trade. Never risk your hard-earned money. Today, we're looking at Red Magic Channel Multi-Trading Accounts Manager.
And you're going to learn how to use this app.
Without further ado, French is going to start this tutorial now.
Thank you, Rosie. The first time you want to run Red Magic Channel Multi-Trading Accounts Manager, you have to copy and paste your account's credentials in a CSV file. To do so, click on Windows Start menu button. Click on Red Magic Channel Multi-Trading Accounts Manager directory shortcut. The content is pretty similar to Red Magic Channel Customers Registration Directory, meaning that you will find the license, the terms and conditions, the privacy policy, the manual, and other files. Click on Red Magic Channel Multi-Trading Accounts Manager login.csv. Red Magic Channel Multi-Trading Accounts Manager won't work if you don't choose this parameter in character set. Make sure Tab Separator Options box is checked. Do the same with comma separator options box. Once all these parameters are set like this, click on the OK button. At this point, Red Magic Channel Multi-Trading Accounts Manager login.csv file is just a template. You have to copy and paste your credentials to start using the app. As you can see, there are 4 columns in this file related to the account number, the login, the password, and the server. Leave the first row untouched. The columns won't be read by Red Magic Channel Multi-Trading Accounts Manager if you change something. Copy and paste your login, password, and server here. Don't forget to add an account number. Then save. You have to do this the first time you run Red Magic Channel Multi-Trading Accounts Manager and every time you want to add or remove an account from the list. When you start or every time you restart your computer, you must log in manually on Metatrader 5 before you launch Red Magic Channel Multi-Trading Accounts Manager. If you run Red Magic Channel Multi-Trading Accounts Manager first, you'll also have to log in manually on Metatrader 5, but if you close Red Magic Channel Multi-Trading Accounts Manager, Metatrader 5 will also close automatically. Now that you logged in manually on Metatrader 5, click on Windows Start menu button. Click on Red Magic Channel Multi-Trading Accounts Manager directory shortcut. Click on Red Magic Channel Multi-Trading Accounts Manager.exe. The Connection tab will allow you to switch between accounts very quickly, just by using the drop-down menu below. During the buy process, you entered an email on the Stripe payment page. Just type the same here and hit Enter to unlock the buttons below. In this example, the user has typed a wrong email, hit Enter, and is waiting for the next step. An alert dialog is triggered. It could be a typing error, the user may not be registered, or the user's PC is unknown. If you have any issue, contact Red Magic Channel. In this example, the user has typed a valid email, hit Enter, and is waiting for the next step. At this point, click on the drop-down menu to select an account. Your account's logins stored in Red Magic Channel Multi-Trading Accounts Manager login.csv are showed here. I will now use this drop-down menu to switch between accounts. Every time you choose an account on Red Magic Channel Multi-Trading Accounts Manager, you can see the corresponding account number changing on the upper left corner of Metatrader 5. Now that I selected an account, the last entry date will appear. It's basically your last trade opening date. If you're familiar with prop firms' trading rules, you already know that being inactive for 30 days will end up in an account breach. This other text field is crucial because you must enter a trade before this day in order to comply with prop firms' trading rules. Dates are showed in the UTC+1 time. Be careful if your time zone is different. The dates format can be inverted with this switch if you're not familiar with the default format. In this example, the dates format is inverted. Now Rosie is going to show you how to use Red Magic Channel Multi-Trading Accounts Manager as a trade copier.
French has brought it up already. This app is not designed to copy trades from one account to the other, but you can use it as a semi-auto trade copier, meaning that you can quickly place the same manual trades on every account with the Connection tab. In case you wonder, Red Magic Channel Multi-Trading Accounts Manager is not a Metatrader expert advisor. You won't find it on Metatrader Marketplace, and you can't run it on Metatrader. It's a standalone executable. Let's place the same manual trade on 5 different accounts now. Every time I'll select an account on Red Magic Channel Multi-Trading Accounts Manager, you'll see the corresponding account number changing on the upper left corner of Metatrader 5. As you can see, there are no open trades on account number 1 yet, and it will also be the case on the 4 other accounts. In this example, I will open a 0.01 contract buy position with a 2,500 pip stop loss on account number 1, and I will do the same on the 4 other accounts. I'm connecting to the second account now. You can see the corresponding account number changing on the upper left corner of Metatrader 5. I'm placing the exact same trade on account number 2. 0.01 contract buy position with a 2,500 pip stop loss on the third account now. I'm connecting to account number 4 to do the same thing. Finally, I'm opening one last identical trade on the 5th account. Now, I'm closing the positions on each account. I'm back on account number 1, and if you look at the Metatrader 5 History tab, you can see that I took the first trade on 2024, November 5th, 18 hours 48 minutes 51 seconds. Now looking at the second account Metatrader 5 History tab, I took trade number 2 on 2024, November 5th, 18 hours 48 minutes 58 seconds, which is 7 seconds later, so I will type 7 on the calculator. On account number 3, I took the third trade on 2024, November 5th, 18 hours 49 minutes 5 seconds, which is also 7 seconds later, and I will add 7 to the previous time. I'm back on the 4th account, and if you look at the Metatrader 5 History tab, you can see that I took trade number 4 on 2024, November 5th, 18 hours 49 minutes 10 seconds. That's why I will add 5 seconds. Now looking at the final account, Metatrader 5 History tab, I took the 5th trade on 2024, November 5th, 18 hours 49 minutes 16 seconds, which is 6 seconds later, so I will add 6 to the previous time. 7 plus 7 plus 5 plus 6 seconds equals 25 seconds, which means that I opened 5 trades with a stop loss on 5 different accounts in less than 30 seconds. Not bad, but remember this app is not designed to copy trades from one account to the other. This is just a bonus feature. French is going to discuss about the next Red Magic Channel Multi-Trading Accounts Manager tab now.
Rosie's got a point. I'm going to demonstrate the use of Red Magic Channel Multi-Trading Accounts Manager Symbols Infos tab. On Metatrader 5 Market Watch section, right-click on a symbol and select Specification. In this example, I chose France 40.cash index. Scroll down, you should see the swap long and short infos. These specifications are crucial to set your overnight position's stop loss correctly. As you can see, I opened a buy position on France 40.cash on October 31st, 2024. Now looking at Windows calendar, the current date is November 5th, 2024, meaning that I opened this position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days ago. The idea here is to multiply the trade duration by the corresponding swap long value. In this example, 5 days by 142.6 pips equals 713 pips. Instead of using Windows Calendar, Calculator, and Metatrader 5 symbol specification menu, all you have to do is click on the drop-down menu to select a symbol and display its infos. You will find all your broker's symbols here. Once a symbol is selected, you can display its spread in pips, points, its currency, and of course its swap long and short pips amount. The spread is available anywhere in Metatrader 5, but once again, you have it in the Symbols Infos tab. As expected, the France 40.cash specifications are the same, but you will save time having it in the Symbols Infos tab. If you hold a position since at least 1 day, this button will help you select the opening date and unlock the text fields in the button below. As this menu is useful if you hold a position since at least 1 day, the date displayed by default is 1 day before the current day. In this example, the entry date for the France 40 cash position is October 31st, 2024, so click on October 31st and click on OK. As you can see, your selection is displayed here. If you're not familiar with the default format, the date format can be inverted with this switch. In this example, the date format is inverted. Now that you selected a position start date, the adjusted swap long and short text fields are displaying the corresponding values. As expected, the France 40 cash position adjusted swap long is the same that the one written on Windows Calculator, but you will save time having it in the Symbols Infos tab. On Metatrader 5 Trade tab, right-click on the symbol and select Modify or Delete. Type the swap value Red Magic Channel Multi-Trading Accounts Manager is giving you. Don't forget to add a minus sign on your Metatrader 5 stop-loss value to end the trade at break-even if the market is going against you. Once you unlock the previous buttons, you can also generate a XLSX file with all the symbols infos. If you want to view this file, click on Windows Start menu button. Click on Red Magic Channel Multi-Trading Accounts Manager directory shortcut. Click on Red Magic Channel Multi-Trading Accounts Manager symbols.xlsx. You have the same infos that the ones from Red Magic Channel Multi-Trading Accounts Manager Symbols Infos tab, but you have them for all symbols. Rosie is going to show you another tab now.
French has previously mentioned that. Let's talk about the Market Watch tab. It will help you see trading opportunities on a chart and filter symbols in Metatrader 5 Market Watch section. Click on this drop-down menu to select a symbol and unlock the next button. You will find here all your broker's symbols. In this example, I chose the Hong Kong 50 cash index. Click on this drop-down menu to select a time frame and unlock the next button. As you can see, you will find here all Metatrader 5 available time frames. I'm going for the daily time frame here. Type the amount of bars you want on the chart and hit enter. By default, the MACD indicator is added to the chart, but you can hide it by setting its opacity to 0. With this slider, you can set the opacity range from 0, which means the indicator will be invisible, to 1, meaning MACD indicator opacity will be maximized. I'm keeping the MACD indicator opacity to its default value here. If you're ready, hit the Display Chart button to open a new web browser page with the corresponding symbol chart. On the upper right corner of the chart, you can see the symbol name and corresponding time frame and the MACD indicator components colors. Note that the MACD line color is the same that the bullish candle's color. The signal line color is the same that the bearish candle's color. The same principle applies to the MACD histogram. You have MACD indicator values on the left scale, the candle's dates on the x-axis, and price values on the right scale. If you hover on the MACD, the signal line, or the MACD histogram, you will see their values. And if you do the same on the candles, you'll have the OHLC values. Now, if you want to add a symbol which is not on the Metatrader 5 Market Watch section yet, click on this drop-down menu to select a symbol. Let's have another look at all your broker's available symbols. In this example, I chose the AUD/USD symbol. Click on the Add Symbol to Market Watch button to add AUD/USD symbol to the Metatrader 5 Market Watch section. Click on the Delete All Removable Symbols from Market Watch button to remove AUD/USD symbol from the Metatrader 5 Market Watch section. Removable symbols means Metatrader 5 Market Watch section symbols with no Metatrader 5 chart currently opened. As you can see, the AUD/USD symbol is now gone. French is going to speak about the next tab now.
I'm on the same page as Rosie. The Stats tab allows you to generate a XLSX file with various informations about your accounts that your broker doesn't provide or that need to be calculated. For example, this file shows your max losing streak, max risk-reward ratio, daily drawdown, and much more. The stats file automatically shows daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly results, but you can set the start date of your custom period here and unlock the button below. By default, the calendar shows the current date, but as it's a custom period start date, you may want to change it. In this example, I chose November 1st. As you can see, your custom period start date is now written here. Click here to set your custom period end date and unlock the buttons below. By default, the calendar shows the current date, but as it's a custom period end date, you may want to change it. In this example, I let it as it is and chose November 13th. As you can see, your custom period end date is now showed here. The dates format can be inverted with this switch if you're not familiar with the day/month/year format. Once you click on the invert dates format switch, the dates format becomes year/month/day. Click on the final button to generate the stats file. Every time Red Magic Channel Multi-Trading Accounts Manager calculates an account stats, you can see the corresponding account number changing on the upper left corner of Metatrader 5. If you want to view this file, click on Windows Start menu button. Click on Red Magic Channel Multi-Trading Accounts Manager directory shortcut. Click on Red Magic Channel Multi-Trading Accounts Manager stats.xlsx. This file is sorted by account number. The second column is the corresponding account login. The next columns are current balance and equity. The highest and lowest value of a column are colored in two customizable colors. You can find here your account description, which can help you to know what broker or what account type or leverage it is. In this example, most accounts are challenges and two are prop firm accounts. The next columns are the overall losing and winning streaks. These stats are not available on your broker dashboard, but you have it here. A losing streak is supposed to be a negative result and a winning streak is supposed to be a positive one. That's why the highest and lowest values of the stats file columns are colored differently. The overall profit and profit percentage are based on your account initial balance. In this example, the initial balance of all the accounts is 10,000 GBP. Depending on what instrument you trade, the highest profit can be more readable in points or in pips. An account with the maximum overall total trades is supposed to be a negative result, and an account with the maximum overall win rate is supposed to be a positive one. Next, you can find the overall largest loss and largest loss percentage. The percentage is based on your account initial balance. Another risk management stat you will appreciate having here. You also have the overall largest win and largest win percentage. The percentage is based on your account initial balance. Always good to keep in mind this kind of positive result. A big largest loss largest win ratio is directly linked to your profitability. A large risk to reward ratio is also a good sign. If you're trading with a prop firm, you already know the daily drawdown and daily drawdown percentage stats are crucial if you don't want to fail your challenges or lose your accounts. The percentage is based on your account initial balance. A positive daily drawdown means that you are currently in profit. Your weekly, monthly, and yearly profits and profits percentages are also calculated for each account. The percentage is based on your account initial balance. You can find your profits for the custom period of your choice here. Don't forget to choose the right date format before editing the stats file. If you're familiar with prop firms' trading rules, you already know that being inactive for 30 days will end up in an account breach. You will find your last and next entry dates for each account here. Rosie is going to show you the fifth and final tab now.
I agree with French. The Colors Settings tab allows you to customize the app and the app file's colors. Choose the saturation here. Pick a hue on the palette. The corresponding hex or RGB color code will appear there. You can also type the color code here. Don't forget the hashtag for hex codes. In this example, I'm changing the RGB values from 12500, which is a red color code, to 000, which is a black color code. Once you chose a color, click here to apply your selection to the buttons and selected tab line background color. Your color is now selected, and a code color recap is available. You can do the same for the tabs and the chart display feature, chart background color, and the other customizable colors. In this example, all the colors are about to change. Click on the Change the Colors button to apply your changes. The colors will be reset next time you run the app if you don't click on the Save Color Settings button. In this example, the connection tab is now looking like this. The new colors settings also apply to the other tabs. If you want to view or edit the colors settings file, click on Windows Start Menu button. Click on Red Magic Channel Multi-Trading Accounts Manager Directory shortcut. Click on Red Magic Channel Multi-Trading Accounts Manager Colors Settings.xlsx. You have a recap of the colors description, the color code, and its visual representation. Leave the first row and the first column untouched. The file won't be read by Red Magic Channel Multi-Trading Accounts Manager if you change something here. If you're happy with the result, click on the Save the Color Settings button. This way, your custom colors will be loaded every time you run the app. As you can see, the Red Magic Channel Multi-Trading Accounts Manager Color Settings.xlsx file is now updated with my customized colors settings. If you change your mind, click here to reset colors to default settings. The changes are already visible on Red Magic Channel Multi-Trading Accounts Manager Color Settings.xlsx file and will apply the next time you run the app.
I hope that this tutorial helped you. The PDF version is available in the app directory. If you don't have Red Magic Channel Multi-Trading Accounts Manager yet, the Stripe payment link is in the description below.
In case of any issue with Red Magic Channel Multi-Trading Accounts Manager or with our other products, please contact us at redmagicchannel@gmail.com.
As always, please comment, like, and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.